Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but shispa % ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
U General Secretary Jongga Nehu Students Union, u Samla Tony Ho Kharsati, Haka Arpundai Terek u Yayong Arajar Arpsan, u Laong bagi Samla Puli Jongga School Ba Nehu, Kilong ki Kloi ban Ïatreilang bat ki bor Jongga An, Haka Jingtohkit ya ka Jing Shasho, bat Sya Berngam Jong u Assistant Professor u Aluk Singh, Haka Arpsau Terek u Yayong Arajar Arpsan. Usamla Toniho, ubalasoy ningkong ya ka signature campaign, bala pelong da ka Nehu Students Union, ha pelau jong ka school ba Nehu, ulaong ru ba ka jingasoy ya ka signature campaign, kum kisamla puli, kidawa ya ka Jingtohkit ka bakhoj, bat ka basyay, halor ka ni ka jingja.
We have the right to choose, and we are choosing this for ourselves. And by signing this particular flex today, we show that we demand accountability, we demand justice, and we are ready to cooperate with the authorities, provided that they come with us with clean hands. As a mark of respect towards the fellow students who are being harassed, I myself, I'll be putting the first signature in this flex to ensure my support towards my students' friends who are being harassed without any proper evidence, and also as a mark of resistance towards such oppression.
Apa cing ko dian do pang nan dian do apa cing ko deh. Oh, ja. Mai ma cing ya.
Hello.